Hello students, welcome to my channel. This session will be taking up data sufficiency questions based on speed mass concepts. Students, what is data sufficiency first of all? Data sufficiency means you have a question followed by two statements, in few exams 3 statements, and you have to only say that whether the data in the statements is required, is sufficient to answer the given question or not. See, what happens, suppose in the examples that I am going to give you here today, there is a question followed by two statements. A question and two statements. So depending on the sufficiency of the data, you have to answer the question like this. You have to maybe mark the answer 1 if that question can be answered using only statement 1 alone, but statement 2 alone is not sufficient. So whatever data given in first statement is sufficient to answer the given question, then you have to mark the answer as 1. If statement 2 alone is sufficient but not 1, then you have to mark the answer as choice 2. If any one statement is sufficient to answer the question, you have with the help of first statement if I can answer the given question, or with the help of the second statement if I can answer the given question, then you have to mark the answer as 3. 4, if both statements together are, if both statements together are sufficient, but neither statement alone is sufficient, neither of them alone is sufficient, but you give me both statements, then I can answer the given question, means then my answer is choice 4. And 5, even if both statements are not sufficient, I need additional information, then I mark the answer as 5. Right, students, this is about data sufficiency introduction. See, please remember, in data sufficiency, you are not expected to solve the problem. See, you will have a data sufficiency basics, another video, wherein we'll discuss in detail all that. See, you are not expected to solve problem. You are expected to identify whether the statement, whatever data required to answer the question is available, whether in statement 1 or statement 2 or in both, right? So as far as possible, you should avoid solving the problems. So you have to show some difference between the regular problem solving questions and data sufficiency questions, right? Okay, more of this we will, you can watch the video on data sufficiency basics. In that we will discuss. And you know, students, data sufficiency is very important for, say, GMAT exam. GMAT exam, half the questions will come in the form of data sufficiency. CAT and other MBA entrance exams, you get data sufficiency. Bank POs, you get around 5 questions of data sufficiency. Like that, many exams, you find data sufficiency questions given in the place of problem solving in few cases. So, right? So with that introduction, we'll go to the first question, students. If ABCD is a 4-digit perfect square, is AB a 2-digit perfect square is my question. Statement 1, D is 5. Statement 2, D is 1. Yes, students. If ABCD is a 4-digit perfect square, I am asking you, is AB a perfect square or not? How do we know? You need some information about the numbers. Students, statement 1 says D is 5. Let me take, students, if it is a perfect square and unit place is 5, what should be the tens place? We all discussed about special case of squares ending with 5. The last 2 digits will be 25 we discussed. If a perfect square is ending with 5, what is the tens place of that number? 2. Right. Students, we also discussed how to find squares ending with 5. What you said? 15 square means 1 into next number 2, that is 225. 25 square means, you remember, we discussed this 2 into next number 3, 2 into 3, 6, 25, like that we discussed it, right? So students, this 6 or this 2 is product of 1 into 2 or 2 into 3. 35 square means you say 1225, you know that. What is this 12? 3 into 4. Suppose if it is n5 square, that means instead of 1 or 2 or 3, if I have n, what I should write? N into n plus 1 followed by 25. That's what you said. So students, if it is going to be n into n plus 1, it is n square plus n means, it is n square plus n means it can never be a square. If for any perfect square that is ending with 5, the tens place is 2, okay, the remaining number, if I take the first 2 digits, in this ABCD, D is 5 means C is 2, but what about AB means, this AB is going to be product of 2 consecutive numbers. Product of 2 consecutive numbers can never be a square. You are asking me, is AB 2-digit perfect square means, I can say no, AB is not a 2-digit perfect square. Can we answer the question or not? See, when I ask you, is it something, you're expected to say yes it is or no it is not. You can't say maybe, maybe yes, maybe no. You should have a concrete answer of yes it is, or you should say no it is not. And now with the information I have here, students, I am saying concretely no, it is not a perfect, AB cannot be a perfect square, because the perfect square that ends with 5, the first two digits, this number is product of two consecutive numbers, hence it's not a square. So we could conclude the answer for this question with the help of this. What about, so first statement alone is sufficient. What about statement 2, students? D is 1. Students, if a perfect square is ending with 1, is this AB a perfect square or not, means you cannot answer like 5. Because I tell you 2 examples, students. If it is 1681, is it a perfect square? I told you special case 41 square. Yes, this 16 is a perfect square. It is 41 square, so 16 is a perfect square. What about 1521, students? 39 square is 1521. But now tell me, is this 15 a perfect square? No. You are saying yes here, you are saying no here, means you, just because the last digit is 1, whether the first 2 digits is going to be a square or not, means I cannot answer. Maybe yes, maybe no. When you are saying maybe yes, maybe no, means you are not giving me answer. So the statement 2 is not sufficient. Only statement 1 is sufficient. If only statement 1 is sufficient, what answer you will mark as per the instructions you read before? Yes, please. It is choice 1. Right? You should note down these instructions, students, right? So it is choice 1. My answer is choice 1. Then that's how you get questions on the, see, calculation part. When I say 25 square, 35 square, 45 square, it looks very simple, but see how a question is framed on this. Let's go to the next one, students. If A, B, C, D are two digit numbers, the product of A, B and C, D consists of how many digits is the question. Right, students. If A, B and C, D are two digit numbers, the product will have how many digits is the question. Students, let me tell you one thing here. If I'm one concept I'll tell you, then I'll come to the state. Your statement 1 is A is 2, C is 3, statement 2 is A is 4 and C is 3. Before I discuss this, let me tell you one simple concept. If I'm multiplying an M digit number and then an N digit number, the product will have M plus N digits or M plus N minus 1 digits. This is a rule, please. You can note down. Suppose, students, if I am multiplying 2 digit number and 2 digit number, this is a 2 digit number, this is also 2 digit number, means this product will be 2 plus 2 either 4 or 2 plus 2 4 minus 1 3 digits. Right? So suppose if I multiply, say A, B, C, D, it is a 5 digit number. X, Y, Z, it is a 3 digit number. So if this is a 5 digit number, this is a 3 digit number, means the product will have how many digits? 5 plus 3 either 8 or 7 digits. But then how do I know it is going to be 8 or 7? How do I know it is M plus N or M plus N minus 1 means? Students, look at this. The leftmost digit product, this A into C, plus the number carried to that. See, that is the last. See, I told you shortcut of 2 digits and 3 digits. What is the last step in the multiplication, whether it's 2 digit or 3 digit, any digit, that leftmost place? This A into C product plus whatever is the number that is carried forward. If that is a 2 digit number, students, it will be M plus N digits. If that is a single digit number, it will be M plus N minus 1. Let me tell you, students. If you take this, A is equal to 2, C is equal to 3 is said. Let me explain you this statement. Students, A, B, C, D, you said. A, B is a 2 digit 2 number, this is 3. Suppose, students, if I take 29 and let us say 36. I'll just take a small example. So what happens, students, if you look at this product, you know how to multiply two digit numbers. 6 into 9, 54, 5. Second step is what? 2, 6, 12, 3, 9, 27, 12 plus 27, 39 plus 5, 44. Next 3, 2, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. This is the multiplication you've done. I'm just explaining this to actually convince you about the answer. So it's how many digit number? 4 digit number. Why? This 2 into 3 is 6 plus this carried number 4, 6 plus 4 becomes 10. Suppose students, if this is 23 and this is say 35. I'm just giving another example. So what happens students, 5 into 3, 15. Second step is 2 into 5, 10, 3 into 3, 9, 10 plus 9, 19. I'm sorry, 1 second, sorry. This is 5, this is 1, 3, 5 into 3, 15, 5 here, 1 here. 2 5 10, 3 3 is 9, 19 plus 1, 20. Next 3, 2, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 not 5. It's now, it is a 3-digit number because 3 into 2, 6 plus 2, it becomes a single digit number. That's what I'm saying students. The leftmost digit product plus the carried number, if it becomes a single digit number, it will be m plus n minus 1. If it is a 2-digit number like this, it will be m plus n. So now students, when I have in the A's place 2 and C's place 3, is it going to be 3-digit number or 4-digit number? I cannot say. It depends on the unit digits. But I don't know what are the unit digits. Are they given? No. Hence, I cannot answer from first statement. Look at second statement, students. AB and CD is, you are asking, what is AB? A4. What is C3? Students, the last place is 4 into 3. How much it is? 3 into 4, 12 plus some carried number means it is already 12 a 2-digit number. When you add the carry forward number, it will be still bigger than 12 means this leftmost digit product is becoming a 2-digit number means it will be 2 plus 2, 4-digit number. So as per the second statement, I can answer how many digit product means I can say 4-digit product from second statement, but from first statement I cannot answer, right? So hence my answer choice should be 2. What is 2? Only second statement but not first statement. So you can pause this video, note down this explanation that I've just said, students, right? Let's go to the next one, please. Is ABCD a 4-digit number a perfect square? Students, statement 1 says C is 4, D is 9. Statement 2 says C is 5, D is 9. Is ABCD a 4-digit number is asking. What is option? Statement 1, D is 9, C is 4. I don't know about A and B. Can we answer or we cannot answer? Just because we don't know about A and B, we cannot answer here. Second statement, if I take again A, B, C, 5, D, 9, again I don't know A and B, I cannot answer. So first statement is not sufficient, second statement is not sufficient. Even both statements are not sufficient because A and B are not there. So hence my answer is 5. That is a mistake we do, students. This is how your data sufficiency questions will try to drag you into a trap. Students, if you see the conclusions that we made on squares, any perfect square that ends with 9, tens place should be even, we said. But I'm again at the same time, I'm not saying that it should be even, but not that every number that is having even is going to be a perfect square. Suppose students, I have AB 49. Is it a perfect square? Means suppose if I take 3 2 4 9, it is a perfect square. If you want, you can check 57 square is 3 2 4 4 9. 25 plus 7 32, 7 square 14. Yes or no? Yes. 1849 is also a perfect square. But now students, suppose if I ask you 1649, is it a perfect square? No. Hence, just because the last two digits are 49, is it a perfect square means maybe yes, maybe no. When you say maybe yes, maybe no, you are not giving me answer. Let's take second statement, students. If tens place is, last digit is 5 and tens place is 5, you know any perfect square that ends with 9 should have the tens place even, but tens place is odd means it cannot be a square. It cannot be a square, hence it is not a square. Any number that ends with 9 and the tens place 5 can never be a square. You are asking is ABCD a perfect square means no, it can never be a square. Hence, as per second statement, I can say no, it is not. You are asking me, is it something? Suppose if I ask you, students, is it Sunday means you have to say, if it is Sunday, you will say yes, it is. If it is Monday, then what will be your reply for my question? No, it is not. So when you say, suppose if it is Monday, I am asking question, is it Sunday? When you reply, no, it is not. Should I consider you answered my question or you have not answered my question? Yes, you have answered my question. The answer is no, it is not Sunday, it is Monday. Similarly, is ABCD a 4-digit perfect square means you are saying no, ABCD cannot be a square, hence it is not a square. Why? Because any perfect square that ends with 9 should have the tens place even, but I have odd number here, So in that case, it's not a square. Only second statement, choice 2 students. Right? Let's go to question number 4. Find the value of xy if xy is a 2-digit natural number. I think you can answer this question, students. Statement 1, xy whole power n always ends with xy. Statement 2, x is greater than y. Let's see, students. Can I answer only from first statement? First of all, can you answer from second statement? Xy is a 2-digit number. X is greater than y means maybe 21, maybe 32, maybe 40, 41. See, x is in all cases x is greater than y only. We cannot answer from second statement. Can I answer from first statement, please? Xy whole power n. Xy is a 2-digit number, please, natural number. Xy whole power n is ending with xy means, students, in the special kind of results of squares and cubes, we talked about it. There are two 2-digit numbers that always ends with the same 2 digits we discussed. What are they? 25 and 76. 25 power n always ends with 25. 76 power n always ends with 76. I told you 00 power n also ends with 00. 01 power n also ends with 01. But 01 and 00 cannot be considered as a 2-digit number. Right, students? Now, coming to this, so from this what I can say, xy whole power n always ends with xy means xy is either 25 or 76. But students, when I say a statement is sufficient to answer my question, the statement should give me a unique answer for my question. Am I able to identify unique value for x and y here from statement 1, please? No. You said xy is either 25 or 76. Hence, I cannot answer from first statement. You said first statement alone is not sufficient. You already said second statement is also not sufficient. Because if I take only this, forget about first statement, there are many 2-digit numbers where the tens place can be more than units place. No. So if I take both combined, students, you said xy whole power n ends with xy means xy is 25 or 76. You are saying x is greater than y means 2 is not greater than 5. That's why it is ruled out. I can say 76 is my answer, where 7 is greater than 6. 76 power n ends with 76. So with the help of both statements together, we can answer the question, students. With the help of both statements together means, what is your answer choice? If you recall your instructions in the first thing, if you want, you can go back and check. It will be answer choice 5. Choice 4, not because question number is 4, students. Choice is 4 because both statements combined can give you answer. Right? That is the instructions. You can read the directions in the first slide. Let's go to one more question, students. Yeah. What is the unit digit of AB power m into CD power n if m, n are natural numbers? Statement 1 says B is 5, D is 6. Statement 2 says B is 4, D is 7. Students, if I take AB power m into CD power n, if you recall again the two special conditions of unit digit, students, B is 5 means, students, any number that ends with 5, if I have unit place 5, whatever may be the power, the unit place of this number will end, it will have 5. That's what we discussed. Is 0, if a number ends with 0, 1, 5, 6, nth power will end with the same unit digit we discussed in one of the earlier videos. So AB power m, if B is 5, A 5 whole power m means it will end with 5. What about this, please? D is 6 means, if C and in the place of D 6 means, if unit place is 6, anything, if I have unit place 6 also, nth power will end with 6. 5 into 6, 30 means, the unit place of this is 6, the unit place is 5 means, finally the product's unit place will be 6 into 5, 30 means, unit place is 0. I can identify from statement 1. What about statement 2, students? B is 4, D is 7 means, students, A4, in the place of B I am writing 4 power m, in the place of D I am writing 7, C 7 whole power n. Students, 4 power anything will always be the same digit. No, only 0, 1, 5, 6 will have the same digit. If you see, 4 power 1 will be 4. 4 square will end with what? 16, 6. 4 cube will end with what? 64, 4 again. So 4, 6 are coming alternately. It's not one answer. There are two different answers for this. What about for this, please? 7 power 1, 7. 7 square ends with 49. Unit place is 9. 7, I'm asking about unit digit, please. 7 cube is 343, unit place is 3. 7 power 4 is 2401, unit place is 1. See, There are so many answers. So can I identify what is the unit digit of this? No, because it can be 4 or 6. Can I identify what is the unit place of this? No, it can be 7, it can be 9, it can be 3, it can be 1. If I don't know what is the unit place of the first one and second one, I can't say what is the product will have what unit digit. Hence, second statement is not sufficient. Only first statement, students. My answer is choice 1. So this is how, students, you get questions on data sufficiency. You can see when we discussed the calculations, they look at very simple observations, but you see how questions are framed on that, right? So more of this we will take up in some other videos, students, right? So that's it for this session, students. If you have any queries, please do mail me at sr.gorantla1@gmail.com, right? And you can also reach me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Thank you.